So Cris TV is here again. So for today's vlog or for today's videos is another tutorial po tayo on how to take expert shots. So sa mga vlogger is ito yung kalimitan laging tinatanong on how to take expert shots. Siyempre, nakakatulong sa pagbablog yung maayos na pag-shots ng video at pag-capture ng bawat moments para mas mapaganda yung ating vlog. And also, how to get to know the Bixby na ready installed sa ating smartphone users. Sa lahat ng mga smartphone users. So, ito yung pagkakataon ninyo para malaman kung ano ba ang paggamit at kung paano malalaman ang paggamit ng Bixby. So, kung bago ka lang sa akin channel, watch, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cris TV, at pindutin lang ang notification bell sa inyong kanan para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga upcoming happening moments, tutorials, travel vlogs, at ang aking mga personal life dito as a caregiver sa Holy Land. So guys, stay tuned in and stay safe everyone and love, love, love.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So how to take expert shots. So first, get in all in one single take or single take lamang ang ating gagawin. So just tap the shutter button and call your camera will automatically decide what to shoot and how to shoot it. So, this feature may vary depending on your device model. So, nakadepende lang kung ano yung model, yung single take, yung red button, yung pinaka white button, minsan red button kapag naman video. So, next natin is keep your videos steady. So, with the new and improved Super Steady feature, you can get professional looking videos without expensive accessories. So this feature may vary depending on your device model. So as you will see on the top of your phone, there is a wide range of model. So you can tap it and get a professional looking video without expensive accessories. Okay? So, and the next natin is record 8K video. So, select 8K video in the ratio setting to record the ultra detailed videos in 8K high resolution. So, you can choose the resolution whatever you want. So, this feature may vary depending on your device model. Okay? Take quick videos, verse shots, and GIFs. So, touch and hold the shutter button to start recording a video or swipe the shutter button toward the edge of the screen to take the burst shot of the GIF. Okay? So, may example ako diyan na ilalagay lang dito sa video na to para makapture yung GIFs at saka yung verse shots. So, this one naman is create your own filters. So, go to Effects, My Filter, then select a picture you like the look of, and well extract the filter from the pic so you can get the same look in the future photos. But this feature may vary depending on your device model. Okay? On the sixth naman natin to take expert shots is keep the shutter button within reach. So, add an extra shutter button. You can move anywhere on the screen so you can reach it either hand, hide it when you don't need. So, yung white shutter is pwede nyong ilagay kahit saan para kahit i-landscape or i-portrait ninyo, mas madali ninyong makakaptured at mapipress yung shutter button ng camera. Last natin to take expert shots is scan QR codes. So, just point your camera at QR codes to add contacts, go to web pages, and add calendar, events, and more. So, you can also open the QR scanner in the quick panel. So, merong mga sa quick QR codes tayo sa mga buses, sa taxi, o sa mga theater, sa gyms, meron silang QR code. So, just to get the Wi-Fi or internet provider. Okay? So, yan yung sa ating takes to expert shots.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So, how to get to know Bixby? So, si Bixby is nasa ready installed na siya sa ating phone. So, how to use Bixby? First, Bixby recognizes your voice. Bixby can recognize your voice and carry out commands that contain personal information on the lock screen. So, like Google, pwede mo rin gamitin si Bixby na ready installed na sa ating phone para sa iyong lock screen na voice record or voice para mag-lock and unlock sa iyong phone. 'Di ba? Ang techy talaga. Second is talk to buds live. So you can carry out commands with your voice without touching your buds or phone. 'Di ba? So kung naka-connect na siya sa Bluetooth yung iyong buds o yung iyong earphones, just talk live to your buds para lamang mag-command sa iyong phone. Ganon ka-techy si Bixby. The third one is no need to look for the remote control. Use Bixby to turn it off and control devices connected to smart things. So dito, just turn on the TV only and use Bixby version sa mga smart TV lang. Pwede mo siyang i-connect sa smart TV. Just click the notification doon sa may taas at click mo lang yung connect to smart TV. At pwede mo na siyang gamitin ang Bixby para siya mag-change ng channel at saka mag-turn in on ng iyong TV. Kahit wala kang remote control ng iyong TV, use your phone. Through Wi-Fi connected lang yon, 'di ba? The fourth one is find photos and videos using Bixby. You can ask for photos and videos by time, location, and people. So, ganyan ka-high-tech si Bixby. The last one is Bixby can help you to take photos when it's dark. Bixby make it easier to take clear photos in the dark. So, ganun din kagaling si Bixby. So, meron lang ibang version ng Bixby na i-add ko lang dito. Si Bixby din ay kayang i-translate ng iba't ibang language. Gagamitin mo lang yung Bixby camera niya para ma-translate yung gusto mong i-translate na language. Just like me dito sa Israel, is nilalagay ko o ika-captured ko lamang yung photos ng mga Hebrew terms and then magta-translate na siya 1 to 3 seconds. Basta meron kayong Wi-Fi or data connection. Ganon kagaling si Bixby. So guys, sana meron kayong na pulot or na-inspired or natutunan dito sa aking quick tutorial. Thanks guys!